to that snakes and snails and puppy dog tails thing.
Always said that, Sherry. I've always said that.
I've never heard that. I've never heard it.
Not that saying, just that you got to get
Play in the
dirty.
dirt.
Got to get dirty.
It's the 5-second rule.
Yeah, I know. And we've become so hygiene oriented. I'm terrible about
Nothing wrong with cleanliness, Mark.
it. No, I know, but I'm just saying I've gotten to where I have the little container and antibacterial stuff, but hey, it keeps you healthy. There you go. Let's start off with a quick look and reminder that we do have a weather aware in effect, and this is going to last for the remainder of this evening into tonight. As you look at our live view from downtown Birmingham, looks fantastic. Just fair weather cumulus clouds out there and blue sky. 91 degrees, dew point at 65, and it feels like 93 at this hour. Winds out of the west at around 11, so that helps a little bit. But here is a quick glance at the southeastern view of thunderstorms. Had all of these in South Alabama earlier. Then this line, this boundary moved across Mississippi into Alabama. And some of these storms have been a bit hefty, not only producing a lot of lightning, but also gusty winds as well as very heavy rainfall. And you can see places like Hamilton's gotten rain. That stretches now over to Haleyville, headed towards Arley. And that line actually is tracking towards the east, so we'll see it. It is just now arriving in Carbon Hill. You're probably getting some thunder rumbling. Double Springs in 16 minutes, Cordova in about 34, Smith Lake, or the main, at least the heart of Smith Lake, in about 39 minutes. Did want to show you the heights of some of these storms, though. 45, maybe 50,000 feet into the atmosphere. So there's a lot of mixing going on, and that means a lot of lightning. This is just to the north of Tuscaloosa. And then this particular cell right here is just now moving into the city and eventually Northport, then into Holt. So keep in mind, we're going to have a good bit of lightning with this, but it is going to track towards the east. Duncanville in 12 minutes, Holt Lake in 16, and then eventually Brookwood within the next 20 minutes or so, and about 30 minutes for the Mercedes plant. Anniston, you've got a thunderstorm as well. It is tracking towards the north and east, just now arriving in Pelham Heights. This is an update. Also to the south, we have a batch of showers tracking north of Ashland, headed towards Oak Hill, as well as Choccolocco within the next half hour. Let's talk about what will happen for the remainder of tonight. You see thunderstorms on the board, temperatures into the 70s, and this is eventually going to be an evening where we go from 90s into the 70s quickly once we get rain to move into some of these locations. Now, cloud cover, maybe a shower or a thunderstorm for Shelby County, but at this point, the forecast model data shows these showers and thunder showers beginning to wrap up at about 9-10 o'clock, and temperatures will have a chance to cool down some. It's still not going to cool down a whole lot necessarily, but we will start to see the chance of showers and thunderstorms become more widely scattered over the next couple of days. 30% coverage, temperatures into the mid-90s by Thursday. Here's a quick look at the 7-day. Rain and thunderstorms likely Friday and into the weekend. Much more on the SCC Media Days after the break. Stay with us.